So before I will show you how we do the animation during our video editing process, let me explain to you what animation is. For example, we have a tasty cake. It's our video. For example, this one. We have a tasty cake. To make it more bright, to make it more beautiful and attractive for you, we need the decorations. This is what our animation is. For example, it can be the image that was downloaded from the internet absolutely freely. And for example, this one, it must be in the format PNG, so it wouldn't have any corners. It would have a nice form. We put it on our video, on it, in any place, and maybe we can change its location, like this one, change its size and its appearance already with the help of our program. For example, we go into the video transitions and do, for example, slide push. As you understand from the name, the image is pushed from another side. It's like our animation works. Also, we may use a green screen video. It can be also downloaded freely from the YouTube. There are many videos animated in the format green screen. The specialty is that we just can cut the green screen with the help of key. It's a material in our program, Ultra Key, and point on it. So this black background is absolutely free space. This is what our video will be. We also put it on our video, and that's the result. It's all.